I'm not sure if you can see this or not. We shall see. Anyway, I got my shemag here. Hidden Woodsman's Haversack. Malcolm gave me the hatch. I'm going to try and record this twice in case it doesn't come out. So anyway, here's my other camera over there. I don't know if it's recording or not, but the Hidden Woodsman's Haversack shemag attached between the straps. I've got a Condor water bottle holder here, and you can add certain things up here too. I've got my little tool here with cordage, cutting edge there to cut what you need. It has an attachment for a lighter, and whether you're using bank line or whatever it is, you have different size holes there or slots to measure it out. I have my spare pocket knife. In this other pocket, I have my first aid kit. That's all I've got in there. Open this up, and there's plenty of room in there. I mean, I've got my cooling scarf. You can wet this down and wave it in the air, and it cools you down. Great for the desert. Spare Mora blade wrapped in light my fire cordage with a custom sheath I ordered online somewhere. I think it was Amazon. These are tent stakes and cordage that I showed you yesterday for. I carry it whenever I go out. This is tarp shelter with reflective coating on one side to keep you warm. I've got a different bag from Vanquist here. You just gotta pull it apart, pull the zipper down, and it has some cordage, another spare blade, another spare blanket. It has some ties in there. It has some spark material in there. Okay, moving on. Inside the bag, more paracord. This side, I have fatwood from Duluth, or I should say from Pathfinder. And the bottle in here with the nesting cup is also the Pathfinder bottle. On top of there, I've got Gorilla Tape in here. Pathfinder bottle. The nesting cup is inside. It's kind of hard to pull it out, but it's in there. What else? I've got a sharpened spark in here. Inside the handle here, it's got a little ferro rod once you unscrew it, and it also gives you a new edge if you've got a beat up knife, and you can kind of sharpen your knife on the field. Great stuff, I love it. So anyway, this is all the stuff that I'm carrying in Malcolm's hidden Woodsman's Haversack. If I had to say a negative, it would be the strap kind of digs into your shoulder. I ordered something that goes like a padding over a 2-inch strap from VanQuest. When you're out in the East Coast or the Midwest, you're always carrying heavy clothing, so it doesn't bother you as much. But out here in the desert, you only wear a shirt or a t-shirt most of the time, so it kind of digs into you. So anyway, this is the stuff in the haversack, hidden Woodsman's Haversack. My camera, I'm not sure if it's picking it up, but you can carry a lot of stuff in there overnight, maybe even a couple of days. So I don't know why my camera stopped when I got up, but it did. So this is like part 2. Have a great day. Out in Tucson, Arizona, Oro Valley area, on a beautiful day. Where else in February can you get 70-degree weather? Ciao.